GitHub Copilot is an AI-powered code assistant that helps developers by suggesting code and functions as they work. It works by analyzing the code you're writing and predicting what you might need next, based on patterns learned from vast amounts of code in public repositories. GitHub Copilot uses advanced AI architecture and machine learning models, including OpenAI's Codex, to generate relevant code suggestions. Developers can use Copilot within their favorite code editors by simply typing code and receiving suggestions right away. Use cases for GitHub Copilot include writing tests, generating boilerplate code, and exploring new APIs by suggesting usage examples. The benefits of Copilot include increased productivity, reduced repetitive coding tasks, and assistance for beginners in understanding coding patterns. For example, if you're writing a function to calculate the sum of numbers, Copilot can generate the entire function based on a simple comment. Try it yourself for a detailed experience, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos.